the Indian economy is throwing out fresh news. I'm given to understand that the direct selling industry has not been adversely impacted during the pandemic. Rather, it has surged ahead. Hence, I congratulate the direct selling entities such as Amway for the strong showing during the moment of crisis. With the pandemic underscoring its importance, 2020 has been the year where health and wellness have been prioritized by people. Home to over 1.3 billion people and the origin of yoga, which is synonymous with health and well-being. India's wellness industry is one of the fastest growing and has undergone a transformative journey over the past year. Here I would like to appreciate Amway's immunity supporting products offerings that have been extremely well received by the Indian consumers. According to FICCI, India's wellness industry is valued at Indian rupee 490 billion. Growing consumer awareness and an increased inclination among citizens to adopt a healthier lifestyle have paved the way for the health and wellness industry to evolve rapidly. As the year ends, there are some trends that will shape the health and wellness sector in 2021. The pandemic has accelerated the demand for doorstep delivery of goods, and this includes medicines and nutrition supplements. And health supplements are now becoming a new go-to option for people to fulfill their nutrition needs while helping them maintain their overall health and wellness. Considering that the global market for nutraceuticals is huge and is estimated at $117 billion, the Indian nutraceutical industry can realize its potential to combat health issues in India amidst COVID-19 second wave and can significantly contribute to India's gross domestic product. I understand a lot of ingredients of Amway's brand Nutrilite are being procured directly from the Indian farmers growing organic produce. This is an encouraging sign for the future and has the potential to be an example of how India can be placed on the supply chain map for organic products. The consumption of potential nutrients and micronutrients like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, folate, protein, selenium, zinc, etc. has substantially increased to support immunity building. The nutraceutical industry has gained focus as the pharmaceutical industry is among the top 10 industries in India. Besides this, nutraceuticals, functional foods or dietary supplements are becoming increasingly more important to the pharmaceutical sector, both in terms of opportunity and competition. The recent shift in consumerism has resulted in nutraceuticals occupying 67% of the market, which includes both functional food and functional beverage. The Indian nutraceutical industry has been growing at 25% annually during the pandemic period, of which Amway is one of the leading players. With over 60% of Amway direct sellers in India being women, I'm confident that women direct sellers in Amway will be a stellar example of the future of women entrepreneurship in India. The top 6 traits of any successful women are positivity, confidence, self-growth, thankfulness, belief, and vision. Globally, India ranks third among countries reporting gender gaps in business. Only 33% of the early stage entrepreneurs in India are women as per financial inclusion for women-owned micro, small and medium enterprises in India. India also ranks 70th among 77 countries covered in the Female Entrepreneurship Index as per the IWWAG report. Women business owners could potentially create 150 to 170 million jobs in India by 2030. Ladies and gentlemen, female entrepreneurship is particularly critical for India because it catalyzes women participation in the labor force. At a time when India's female labor force participation has fallen to 17.5% in 2017-18. Only 7% of working age women in India have paid jobs currently as per a recent report. I am given to believe that over 60 lakh persons earn livelihood from the direct selling industry, of which Amway contributes around 550,000. All direct sellers get a livelihood opportunity with zero investment. life. Sure, the efforts to succeed must be very high, and I salute all of you who have embarked on this very, very dynamic and adventurous. Last but not the least, Amway has set up its own manufacturing plant and has made a lot of investment towards the Make in India initiative, and is the only direct selling company in India to make this investment as their commitment to the country. I take this opportunity to congratulate Amway on its many, many initiatives in India.